Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to plan the week that goes through 16th to the 22nd of April, and this is how last week looks like. I think it's super beautiful. I'm going to link that plan with me in the description box if you want to watch it. But for this week I'm going to use this kit that is called Runaway Bride and super beautiful. This is from Plantscape and this is on premium matte paper. It's just a gorgeous kit. So I think that for this week I'm going to do my classic layout where I place the to-do section on the top, the full boxes in the middle, and the today section in the bottom. And I'm going to start with the bottom washi. I think that I'm going to be using silver foil for this spread and I hope it will look super pretty. I'm going to use also some of the silver glitter headers that she sent me with this order, and these ones are so beautiful. I really love this bottom washi. It's just so stunning. I think I will wet out a bit of it. This is a pretty big bottom washi. I don't know if I will like that at the end. I wish I knew that, so I will cut it, but it's okay for now. I think now that I'm going to move maybe to the day covers, and this kit came with these day covers, but I'm not going to use these ones. I'm going to use ones from Rose Color Days. For the flags, I'm going to use these ones, the pink peachy ones from Station Stickers. These ones are on silver foil and they are not the perfect match, but they are good for now. And I'm using these ones that, as I told you, they are from Rose Color Days and they are like silver, not silver, gray flags. That's nice. I use the date covers, the date dots from my newest edition. So let me see. Now I want to move to the sidebar, and I think that I can use this one because it's like the most different box. Yeah, I think that I can use this one in here. Let me see which one I will use. So yes, I will be using this one in here. And the boxes didn't come with any quote or anything, so I'm just decided to use this one that has the more flowery effect. So to divide the sections, I'm going to use this skinny washi that came in the kit. She doesn't have like different type of sizes, like she makes the same size for all of them. So I will use one of her weekly trackers. She includes two. No, I think I'm going to do the pink one because this is like flowery and flower and flower together, and I want to have something different in here. So I guess I can start with the heavy tracker that it's gray, so I can cut the flower and the pink, like everything is different in this first section. Next I will do the pink one. So my heavy tracker is going to be for my gym. This is too big. I will need a different one, so let me look for something else. And the first heavy tracker is going to be, I think, for my Instagram posts. So to mark that, I will use one of the gym time stickers from Station Stickers. This is on silver foil, and the other one is also on silver foil and is the Instagram. And as you can see, these ones are clear stickers, so that's really nice, and I love the font of those ones. And for my happy mail, I will use this bow checklist. So you can see she added the bows in here. I'm going to show you this like that. They're so pretty, and as you can see, these bows, they're like her typical bows from her shop. You can like find a whole sheet of those, so that's amazing. So I think that maybe I can add like the happy mail here. I don't know if I will like that. I'm so picky, I'm sorry. Like, I don't know, I will do it at the end. I don't want to waste any time. But so yeah, that's for the sidebar. I think that it looks super pretty. Now I'm going to move to the sections. I'm going to do as I told you to do in here in the top section. In the middle I will do the full boxes, and at the end I'm going to do the today section. So for the to do, I think that I can yeah, I think that I can use these ones. Let me see, just a moment. Like, I want to use the gray to do headers, but I'm afraid this will be like too gray in here. I hope not. Some of the checklists, they are pink, but I don't know. I hope it will be like a nice cohesive spread in here. So let me see. I think that I can start with the pink. Yeah, I think I'm going to start with the pink because we have like 2 glitters and 2 grays and 3 pinks, so that's very nice. Let me see how I can do that. For the full boxes, I will be using these glitter headers from Rose Color Days. They are not glitter headers. I said glitter headers. They are silver foil headers, and they are from Rose Color Days, as I mentioned before. It's been a while since I used the boxes of the checklist, and I just had to use them because they are so pretty. So I don't know what I'm doing here with the full boxes, like because they don't have like any specific icons or like I don't know, a cup of coffee or something like that. I'm not sure where I'm placing this stuff. I'm just doing it randomly, not reason at all. For the to-do section, as you can see, I'm using these glitter headers. These ones are also from Plantscape, and they came in this freebie. She does or matte, premium matte paper or glossy on her shop and also on her freebies. So I think that's amazing because you can actually use what she sends you. I love her taste. I think that's super chic, and she really thinks through everything. So I love her freebies, especially she gives you things that you can actually use, so that's amazing. So now I'm going to move to the day by day. To mark the plan with me video that you're watching now, I'm going to use this washi that I just cut to fit in here, and I'm going to use this light peachy shade. This is in the color palette Millie from my newest addiction. I don't have anything that matches this pink in silver foil, but I think that I thought that I can use this one because this peachy shade is very similar to the peachy colors that are in these flowers. So I think that this looks fine now. I want to mark also a friend's birthday that I have on the 16th, so I will use one of these half boxes, and on top I'm going to use one of these bows from this is from White Deer Stationery. This is in the color shade Blush, and I don't know which one I will use, maybe this one or the pink one, but I'm thinking that the pink one is going to be like too pink in here, but this is pretty cute. Yeah, I like this. This is super nice. So yeah, that's for that. Now oh, okay, now I'm remembering that I'm not marking my work schedule. Oh, let me see how I can mark that. I'm going to use this work script words from Shimmer Stickers. This is also on silver, and I'm going to use this box for my work schedule because I don't have any space in here for this day. So, and this week is going to be a very short week, so and I also removed the heart in here. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it, so I think that I'm going to place one of these hearts from White Deer Stationery. This is in the shade Cookies and Cream, and I guess that I can add the silver in here. I don't have anything else with color, just this neutral shade, so I think that's fine for now. Now I'm going to move to Tuesday. On Tuesday, the only thing that I have is an appointment with the doctor, so I will use one of these really cute boxes that has this flag in here, and I'm going to use these important script words from Rose Color Days. These were in her old glossy paper, and I bought them when she was having the incredible sale, so I will put it just on top. So because at the end of the week is the independence of Israel, we only are working from Sunday to Wednesday, and Wednesday is going to be only half day, so I think that I'm going to be using the day to finish my rose gold setup on my TN. Finally, I'm so happy that I'm getting in there. And also I need to do some laundry, so I think that I'm going to use another of these cute boxes. I will maybe use the pink one on the black one. No, I think I'm going to use the pink one. Yeah, I'm going to use this one, and I will be using another of the script word stickers from Rose Color Days. This one is the laundry. So happy that I have these ones because I'm so bad at writing things, like I'm super bad. My handwriting is just so I don't like it. So okay, I think that I'm going to move this just a bit to the top, and I didn't mention where this is from. This is from JP Sticker Studio, one of my favorite sheets at the moment. This is the colorway Alice, where she has the brown hair. So yeah, this is looking super pretty. I really like this. Now I'm going to move to Thursday, and Thursday, Friday and Saturday I have the day off. Like I have this 3 day off, and then Saturday I'm coming back home, so it's going work, not home, so that's going to be pretty difficult. I want to place the weekend banner on Friday and Saturday just because it's the weekend here, and finally I'm not working on Friday. And yeah, I just cut this one. I kind of want to upload another video on Thursday. I'm not sure what yet, but we will see. I'm going to add another of these hearts from White Deer Stationery. This looks purple, but it's not. It's gray, so it's looking weird in the camera, I think. So yeah, I think that's going to be that for Thursday. I don't have really anything these days. I think I'm going to use one of these ones. They are from It's Just Paper Co. And I'm going to use it just to mark that I need to work on the digital invitations for our wedding and like finish a few stuff for that. for our event. So yeah, I think that's going to work. On Friday I will binge watch, I think, a few videos. I like to do that because if I have the day off and if I have some time, I just will leave the video in the background and I will organize stuff and clean and all those things that I need to do at home. So I love to do that, to just watch videos and organize the house. So this is from Sweet Deco Chic. I think that the shop name changed. I think that I'm going to link in the description box if I found it, but I love this one. It's one of my favorites, the girl with the laptop. On Saturday we have a family lunch, so I will use this quarter box, and I'm going to use also one of these meal stickers from Rose Color Days. This is the exclusive sampler from Nikki Plants, and this is, I think, like, I don't know, how do you call this? I don't know. This is like a different type of foil, like glitter foil, I don't know. So yeah, I will put it in here. To mark that I want to film in here the plan with me for the week after that, I'm going to use these planner stickers from Fox and Cactus. I was going to use the planner that came in the kit, that is actually very cute, but it's pink and I have the pink in here, the bottom washi, so I feel that it's like too pink, so I'm going to use this gray one instead. And the only thing that I want to mark on Sunday is that I need to email some hours to my job, so I'm going to use these stickers from GP Sticker Studio. This is also in Alice. They're also one of my favorites. She's so adorable. So I think that I can do this. I just got one of the like washes into a really tiny washi. I like to do that. I think that it looks pretty nice. Perfect, so I think I'm going to write everything and I will be back just in a minute. If I have anything to change, I will do it and I will mention it at the end of the video. And this is how the full spread looks like. I really love it. For some reason I think in the camera the grays looks a bit purple, but it's definitely gray. I love it, and I changed a few things. As you can see in here, I changed the boxes, and also I add this sticker to clean my brushes. This is from Craft by Tawi, but everything is going to be linked in the description box. Every shop that I use and mention is going to be there. Also my coupon codes, if you want to check them out, they are going to be in there. And my social media, my Instagram is olalajuliet if you want to follow me and also see the posts that I upload. I try to do it daily. I'm not super good at it, but I really like my Instagram account, so if you want, you can follow me. The link is going to be in the description box. And yeah, I love how this turned out. I hope you like it too. I love the silver foil and all the glitter, the pinks and grays. And if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!